Kate Bunt's caster suggestions. Relatively easy to hide. Relatively easy to hide. Relatively easy to hide. Harder to hide. Harder to hide. Harder to hide. Harder to hide. This might need remaking to disguise these. It's an opportunity to take a lot of weight out. This might have to have a cowl or cover around it, but there's an opportunity to hide 4 strong casters there. Where the casters are mounting, or the caster assemblies are mounting to the wall, they must have direct contact with the framework, and if there is a frame stopping around here, they're going to need contact with framework at the full height of this box. The skin will need to be cut away so that this box has direct contact with the framework. Attaching to the skin is likely to create problems. Fireplace is a great opportunity to hide 3 more. These could be covered with flower pots, barrels, or additional props to be discussed.